In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A36, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Now click on the icon of it at the top. Select Open in pop-up view and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, click on the same line at the top and operate all of those. To close your window completely, swipe your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!